In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal account with a Mastercard in Ethiopia. This process should take about 5 minutes from start to finish, assuming you've got everything you need at hand. So let's dive right in. First, it's important to know that while PayPal allows you to link a Mastercard for sending payments from Ethiopia, receiving payments through PayPal isn't fully supported in the region yet. This can be something to bear in mind as you progress with international transactions. Now let's head over to PayPal to get started. Open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the login button, which you should find at the top right corner of the screen. This will lead you to a page where you can enter your login credentials. Carefully input your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. After entering this information, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, find the option labelled Pay and Get Paid, located in the menu panel. Click on it and you'll be taken to another page that shows more options. From here, select Wallet. The wallet page is essentially your control center for managing both your funds and your connected financial instruments like banks and cards. On the wallet page, you'll want to look for the section that says Banks and Cards and give it a click. This is where you'll have the opportunity to manage or add new cards to your account. Now locate and click on the Link a Card button, which is usually highlighted to catch your attention. Here's where you'll need some important information. Make sure to have your Mastercard on hand because you'll be asked to enter your card number, the expiration date and the CVV, which is typically a 3-digit number found on the back of your card. Fill in these details accurately, as any discrepancies could prevent you from successfully linking your card. After entering all the required information, click on the Link a Card button. The system will then guide you through a few additional prompts that you'll need to follow to complete the linking process. In some cases, to ensure the card's security, PayPal may require you to verify your card. This could involve entering a one-time passcode, which you'd receive via a text message or through your online banking service. This extra step enhances the security of your PayPal account and ensures that only you can authorize this action. And there you have it. Your Mastercard should now be successfully linked to your PayPal account, making it easier than ever to process payments electronically. Feel free to explore other features available to you now that your card is linked. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy transacting.